Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable the option to power on your monitor using your phone. So actually it's very easy and you can do this via the Wi-Fi connection. At first you have to scroll to the left to the control panel and scroll down to the settings. Here click all settings and now scroll down to the connections. Click on network and scroll down till you see expert settings. Go to that and here the first option is power on your mobile. We can disable this option or enable this option back again. And now in your SmartThings application, you can turn on your monitor via your phone. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.